Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is practical geometry. Now in that class we take and construct some other important question based on practical based on the chapter practical geometry. Now dear students, in previous class we discussed some important property related to quadrilateral like parallelogram, rhombus and quadrilateral, and we constructing them when its all sides and diagonals are given. Now in that class we have to construct some important quadrilateral in which one or two sides and some angles are given. Let us take some important questions and constructing them. We take the we take some important question of your NCERT exercise, and your question is construct a quadrilateral construct a construct a quadrilateral. Okay, this one construct a quadrilateral MORE. Construct a quadrilateral in which MO is equal to 6 centimeter, MO is equal to 6 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 60 centimeter, angle O is equal to 105 centimeter, 105 degree, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. Now let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Let's see its solution. Here, what is the question here? Construct a quadrilateral MORE in which MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. MO is equal to 6 centimeter. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle M is what 60. Angle O is what 105, and angle R is what 105 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, in any that type of question, please write your step of constructions. Okay. So first of all, we prepare their rough sketch. After that, you can constructing them is very easy way. Let's see. First of all, let MO. Suppose that this is MO is your side 6 centimeter. Now what I do? Now from O we form an angle of 105. This is 105, and draw an angle and subcut the previous. Now we directly form. We don't form any rough sketch. We directly solving them. Let's see. First of all, in first step, what I do? In first step, first of all, we draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. This is your first step of that question. Okay. Now let's see. In first step, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Let's see. MO. Okay. Let's see. Here, first of all, we draw a line segment MO is equal to what? 6 centimeter. This is 672. Now what I do? Now let's see. Here angle O is what? This is 105 degree, na? So now from at point O we construct an angle of 105 degree. Let's see. From there, you can construct an angle of 105 with the help of ruler and compasses. So suppose this is 90 is straight. So here from there in that point you draw an angle of 105 degree. This is second step. Now we write in second step what? Step 2, at point A, from point O we construct an angle of 105 degree, that is angle AO is equal to 105 degree. Now let's see, from point O we construct an angle of 105 degree, that is angle O is equal to what? 105 degree. Okay, now let's see. Now here let's see, dear students, here now taking O as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now in third step third, dear student, taking O as center, and distance equal to equal to 4.5 centimeter. Taking O as center and distance equal to what? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, cuts and arc. Someone we draw OX. Okay, distance equal to 4.5 centimeter cuts and arc at OX, at ray OX. Let's see. So now in second step, dear students, taking O is center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter, cuts an arc at OX, and suppose that arc cuts the ray OX at point R. At point R, this is what? Oh, less, we take less here. This is taken and that is what? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and cuts an arc OX at point R. Okay, this is our next step of for that question. Okay, now there's one important thing is angle R is also equal to 105 degree. Now at point R, at point R we also construct an angle of 105 degree with the help of ruler and compasses. Now let's see. So at point R, here from that point we construct an angle in this way. This is 105 degree. So in next step, okay, this is in step 4. So now add from point R we construct an angle of 105 degree. Okay, from point R we construct an angle of 105 degree and produce y. Okay, and from point R we construct an angle of 105 degree. So we constructing them. Okay, now what I do, let's see. Now Dear friends, here angle M is what? 60 degree, na? Angle M is what? 60 degree. Now, dear friend, from point M, okay, from point M we also construct an angle of 60 degree. Let's say now in step 5, from point M we construct an angle of an angle of 105 degree. So from point M we construct an angle of 100 and sorry, no, here angle M is 60 degree, na? So from point M we construct an angle of 60 degree, which and produced a ray which cuts the ray R by at point E. At point E. Let's see, dear friends. So from there, from point M, this is we draw an angle of 60 degree. Okay, we construct an angle of 60 degrees from point M, which cuts the previous ray Ry at point, suppose that E, at point E. Okay, so now in finally here MORE. Now last step we can write what? Let's see. Now in step 6, thus a quadrilateral MORE is formed. MORE is formed. This is the required solution of the given question. Let's see once more time. This is, dear student, one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see once more time. Here we construct a quadrilateral more. We discuss one more time. First and more, in which MO is equal to 6 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5, angle M is what 60 degree, and angle O is what 105, and angle R is what 105. Now what I do? In first stage of construction, first of all we draw a line segment. MO is equal to 6 centimeter. MO is equal to what? 6 centimeter. Okay. After that, dear student, taking OS center, and from point O we construct an angle of 105 degree, and angle of 105 degree, and we produce a line segment OX. We draw an ray OX. Okay. Now after that, in next step, taking OS center and distance equal to 4.5. Okay, distance. Now taking OS center and distance equal to 4.5, cuts an arc which cuts the arc which cuts an arc at the ray OX at point R. Now we join OR. Okay, OR is now taking R as center, and from a point R we construct an angle of 105 degree. So 105 degree we produce that ray OI. Now after that, taking M, from a point the M we construct an angle of 60 degree and produce the array which cuts the previous ray at point E. Now we just join. This is now in this way MORE is our required quadrilateral. So in this way, this is the method to solve, to construct that type of questions. Now dear students, please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can construct each and every question of your NCERT question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and construct some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Question. And one important thing is that in each and every questions based on construction, please write the step of constructions. Without write the step of construction, your answer is incomplete. So please ensure, dear students, please ensure that please after constructing the quadrilateral or parallelogram or rhombus or rectangle or square, please mentions write your step of constructions. Okay, dear students. Now we take some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on construction. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now construct a quadrilateral, which is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 centimeter, DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree, angle E is equal to 60 degree, and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to what? 90 degree. Now let's see its solution. Let's see, dear friend. Here, in that question, what I do, dear friend, we construct a quadrilateral. We construct a quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree, and angle A is equal to 90 degree. So for that, what I do, dear students, let's see. So first of all, dear friends, okay, we draw D is equal to 4 centimeter in first step. Let's see. First of all, we write step first. So we Draw we draw a line segment D is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the first step of construction. So let's see. Dear friends, first of all, in first step we draw a line segment DE which is equal to 4 centimeter. This is our first step of construction. We draw D is equal to 4 centimeter. Now what I do? Now it is clear that from the question angle E is equal to 60 degree. Angle E is equal to 60 degree. Now from point E, let's see this one. In step 2, what I do from the point E, we construct an angle of 60 degree and produced a ray EX. Let's see. So from E we just construct an angle of 60 degree and produce to X. We construct an angle of what? 60 degree with the help of ruler and compasses and produce a ray what, dear friends? And produce a ray EX. Okay. Now what I do? Now dear friends, in next step of construction we take E as center. Okay. Now in step third, now taking E as center direction. Now taking E as center and distance equal to 5 centimeter and distance equal to 5 centimeter, cuts an arc, draw an arc, and now taking E as center and distance equal to 5 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the ray EX, which cuts the ray EX at point A. Let's see dear friends. Now in that step, taking E as center, taking which is center? E as center, and distance equal to 5 centimeter because of E is equal to 5. Draw an arc which cuts the ray EX at point A. At point what? A. So let's see. So here this in this way, and we cut the previous ray EX at point A, and this is what? This is 5 centimeter. This is what? 5 centimeter. Now what I do? Now we in step 4. Yes, friend. In step 4, what I do? Let's see here. Dear friend, now in that step, taking now let's see, taking A as center. Okay, taking A as center. Now from taking A center and from point A, construct an angle of 90 degree because of, according to question, angle A is what? 90 degree. Now let's see here. So now from point A, now from point A, we construct an angle of 90 degree. Now from point A we construct an angle of 90 degree, okay, and we produced a ray AY and produce a ray AY. Let's see. No, let's see, dear friends. So from point A, we construct an angle of 90 degree and we produced a ray AY. Let's see. So A, this is 90 degree. So we produce ray AY. This is what? 90 degree. Okay. So in this way, we construct an angle from point A. We construct an angle of 90 degree and produce a ray AY. Now, in fifth step, what I do? Let's see. Now, in fifth step, what I do, dear students, AR, D. Now, taking A as center, and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, in next step, taking A as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Taking A as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc which cuts the ray AY at point R. Suppose that. Okay. Now let's see. Now the student taking A center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter cuts an R. Now this is cuts an R. We draw an R. We cut the ray AY at point R. Okay, at point R. Now finally, what I do? Let's see. Now we write it in step 6. What I do? Let's see. Now step 6. We join DR, which is thus quadrilateral, thus a quadrilateral DEAR is formed. Okay. So in this way you do more and more practice. In this way, in today's class we take some important question related to your NCERT exercise. Now you do more and more practices. After that you construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise. First of all, you revise all the important questions which we discuss in that class, and after that you can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on practical geometry. Okay, dear friends, these questions are very important for you and your examination purpose. Okay. Now, dear friends, in next class we take and solve some other important questions related to your chapter practical geometry. So please do more and more practices. Now in next class we take some other important question. Thanks to all.